You want to jump up and down? What else do you want to do?
Skip.
Hey Ella, what are you doing?
Walking in the mud.
I got something. Watch, look. I want to get out.
Whoa! Man!
Hi, Grandma. This is my workbench.
So what are you doing?
Fixing.
What does your pegboard do?
This is a saw. We use it to cut wood. This is a screwdriver.
What's that, Ella?
What?
Tell Grandma what that is.
It's a toolbox. And we put tools in it. Grandma.
She can't hear you, sweetie. What do you want to tell her?
I put this in my bowl. That.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, Grandma. This is my drill. Hi, Grandma. This is my drill. Hold up. Hold up.
What's that?
Saw.
Your saw. Okay, Daddy's gonna fold the light down.
Oh, it's late. Dad, can you help me drill?
Sure.
Can you use
Always be careful when using your tools.
Take to Grandma was. Grandpa was.
For what?
Grandma truck.
What are we gonna do with it?
Build.
Gonna build it?
Just like this.
Just like that? Wow, it's got 50 pieces. Why don't we go ahead and open her up?
But I can't. Oh wait, here.
Yeah.
Oh wait, this is the truck. Part of the truck. A screwdriver. This. That's 60 pieces. Way too much.
What are we doing, Ella?
Fixing.
Are we fixing or building?
Fixing the truck.
Okay, here we go. 50 pieces. Let's start.
Start.
You want to sing a song while you work? Is that tight?
gonna start off.
Okay. So what'd you build, sweetie?
It's gonna dump some dirt out.
Is it?
Huh?
Okay. I think you've got a lift gate too, I think. On the back of the bed there. Right here. This, I think that thing folds down like that. There, it tips down.
Just all the dirt out.
It does. All right. That's a cool. What are we doing, sweetheart?
In dirt.
In your new truck?
There we go.
Oh, perfect.